I told you, there's just something about you. From the way you move those sexy lips when you talk to me. But there's another little thing about you. It's the way that we connect on this mentally. Cause you're flyer than them other people. Treat me like another equal person that just wants to hang with you. You know you're cute, but you're just searching for another individual who basically wants to vibe with you. Treat me like another equal person that just wants to hang with you. And we could just kick it. You know you're cute, but you're just searching for another individual who basically wants to vibe with you. I just wanna vibe with you. Hey, yeah.